In this video, we're going to show you how to set up sales pipelines in TeamGate CRM and how you can start tracking your sales and managing leads effectively. This is one of the most critical steps in maximizing the potential of your CRM, so make sure you stick around until the end because we'll also share some alternatives that might just be better suited for your needs. First things first, setting up a sales pipeline in TeamGate CRM is simple, and you'll want to customize it to match your sales process. TeamGate allows you to create multiple pipelines for different sales processes, whether it's for different products or different stages of your customer journey. This flexibility is key. You can easily manage leads, track opportunities, and ensure your team stays on top of every stage of the sales funnel. Next thing, creating stages in your pipeline is crucial. TeamGate CRM lets you build these stages according to your specific needs. Whether you're using terms like lead, prospect, or qualified, you can adjust it. Make sure you include stages that represent each critical decision-making point in your sales process. This is how you'll track where each lead is and make informed decisions to push them to the next stage. The third thing you'll want to do is import your contacts. Whether you've been working with leads in another CRM or have a list of potential clients sitting around in Excel, TeamGate CRM makes it easy to import those contacts with just a few clicks. Once they're in, you can organize them based on where they fall in your pipeline and start tracking communications and updates. Moving on, let's talk about the integration of communication channels. TeamGate integrates with email, phone calls, and other messaging services to ensure all of your client conversations are logged directly in the CRM. This means you can keep everything in one place without jumping between apps. You'll never miss a follow-up or important interaction. The fifth thing, automating your sales processes. TeamGate offers workflow automation, so you can streamline your pipeline by setting up reminders, automatic task creation, and email notifications. You can set up triggers for actions to take place automatically based on pipeline stages or other factors. This will save you and your team so much time. Now, here's where things get interesting. While TeamGate is a solid choice for sales pipeline management, it's not without its competition. Some users find that other CRMs, like HubSpot or Pipedrive, offer more extensive features, including better reporting tools or enhanced integrations. It's important to assess your needs before committing to one platform. Finally, let's talk about your options. I'm going to leave you with an exclusive offer. If you're interested in giving TeamGate CRM a try, I've got an extended free trial just for you. But here's the thing, there are some amazing alternatives that might better serve your goal of optimizing your sales pipeline. We're talking about CRMs with more powerful integrations and customization options, also offering free trials, so you can explore them risk-free. Through our link in the description, you'll not only get the best free trial and exclusive benefits for TeamGate CRM, but you'll also gain access to these fantastic alternatives that could offer you more flexibility in the long run. So be sure to check that out. Don't forget to check out the links below for all the details. And if you want to see more tips on sales pipeline management or CRMs, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.